Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create velocity edit on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut. I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to go to the CapCut library to get a footage. Wait, I'm just going to search for the dance footage. Okay, I'm going to create velocity edit with the CapCut video. For example, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. I'm going to edit this video. Okay, don't forget to download the video first if you want to use the video from the CapCut library. Okay, now the video is being downloaded and I'm going to add the video to my project. Okay, and to create velocity edit, we need to add audio to our project. We're going to click on audio and then click on sounds. And then I'm just going to use audio from the CapCut. If you want to use audio from your device, you just need to click on this option and select device. You can also extract audio from video, but here I'm just going to choose audio from the CapCut. I'm going to select the dance category and wait, I'm going to choose the audio. Wait guys, I'm going to select this one. Okay, the happy back sound, and I'm going to add it to my project. Alright, and to create the velocity edit, we're going to go to the CapCut effect. You're going to tap on your video and then select effect, and you're going to select the style. In the style, you are going to select velocity. Okay, and you don't need to create the velocity manually, guys. You just need to use the velocity effect in CapCut, this flash velocity, the free one. Okay, I'm just going to add it to my video. Wait, it's still loading, guys. Okay. All right, and now the effect is being applied. We just need to wait until 100%. Alright guys, and now the velocity effect has been applied, and let's take a look what we have. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.